ShopClues is India's first and largest marketplace. So it's a managed marketplace. We are a technology platform which enables all the SMB merchants or sellers across the country to be part of the e-retail revolution around the country, right? So we have now about 120,000 plus sellers on our marketplace who sell online using shopclues.com, and they reach out with their products, right, to all the customers across the country. So when I talk about these 120,000 merchants, they can be from any state. They can be from the islands, Lakshadweeps and Daman and Dius, right? So the whole idea is to empower them, right, and include them in the e-tail revolution. So that's what we do. The market size numbers, I will not remember offhand. It should run into a couple of $1 billion. The way we are looking at things is that from last year to this year, we've had 600% growth. We are a pure play managed marketplace. We enable, as I mentioned earlier, we enable all these SMBs to sell online. We provide them services like fulfillment, marketing, customer care, payments. So all the anxiety around selling online is taken care by us, and they just need to take care of the product and the price. So that's the model, as simple as that. Typical challenges of a startup, right? We are not a very old organization. We are a business which has been around only for 3 years. We went live in 2012, 26th of January, incidentally, and it's been just little over 3 years now. The challenges were like, so first of all, any internet business in India, right? Getting talent for a startup, whether it's technology, whether it's logistics, whether it's fulfillment, the kind of challenges you have in terms of hiring the right talent, people who wish to be part of a journey or a dream, right, is a difficult one. So that's the first block or a roadblock which you kind of attack. The second is, as we were building business in India, logistics is still a challenge, because that's the real feel of the real experience of the customer, right? So delivery of the product, right, is the essence of it all. If anybody orders a product and he's getting the delivery of the product in time, product what he ordered, right, is so internet as a business or marketplace as a business in India has been a low trust market, right? And that has been the second part of the challenge, right, which is at a macro level. But as a business, we try to solve that through a lot of innovative use of technology. How can we rate our merchants who are selling better, quality products, right? So in terms of that, so first was people, the second was low trust market and solving it through technology. 5 to 7 years down the line, we'll have at least 2 to 3 million merchants selling on us, right, with multiple buyers across, right? So that's what we endeavor, and it's not far away, right? We already have 100,000 odd merchants, 120,000 odd merchants, and so that's going to be real. It's all about empowering sellers across the country. Not as of right now. We'll continue to build in this space. There's enough to be done here. Logistics is one option. We need to look at it closely. How do we increase our reach? Because in tier 3, tier 4 locations, that still is a problem. The way customers payment methodologies, right, we need to solve those problems, because there's still enough of inefficiencies there in terms of the payment gateways. So we need to look at that. How do we look at data? How do we look at customer behavior? All that. So those are the things which need to be solved, right? So that's where we have in the short span of 3 years, we have come as a number 4 or number 5 player now in the country, right? So we've grown many folds. E-commerce generally in India, the way it is booming up has definitely helped us. As I was talking about in the last point, there are lots of inefficiencies in the business, and those inefficiencies have been, people have the fair amount of investments in curing those inefficiencies, so to say, right, which is also helping us. So the entire ecosystem, right? Straight from either it's marketing led, innovations in marketing, innovations in payment gateways, innovations on logistics side, right? And that's what e-tailing is all about, right? So a lot of money is coming into it, right? People are driving innovative stuff, building innovative technologies, and that's what is helping us, a business like us. Very enlightening. So we've been part of every major event you've had, right? Whether as a sponsor or as a participant in that, right? We want to wish you all the best and for the endeavors you've done.